Farmers Carnival for the year 2019. Sales maternal links to Lakemba in Namuka.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me much pleasure to be here this evening. I'd like to, of course, acknowledge the head teacher of the school and Tinandongo and the other luminaries of this district, this area that are here. Of course, the staff, students, and the parents. And of course, the most important people are these wonderful ladies here who you've all come to see and who will be crowned the winner. And of course, all the others who may not necessarily win, who have contributed to making this carnival a wonderful success. This is my second visit to this school, and I'd like to thank again your head teacher for his energy and his initiatives in uplifting not just the reputation of the school, but also in respect of coming up with new and creative ideas. Before I like to, I don't want to make a very long speech, but I'd like to thank the coordinator for the invitation. But it is really quite important for us to understand the immense contribution that the founders of the school made to the education sector in Fiji. As you know that you're celebrating 75 years of the formation of the school, can you imagine if the school was not here, how many students, young people over the past 75 years would not actually have had access to basic primary education? Of course, because of the legacy, you now have a school that's 75 years old. Because of the legacy, you have a whole 3-4 generations of people who've been educated, at least received primary school education, which of course has meant they have contributed to our country in a lot more meaningful manner. Government, of course, is very proud to be able to participate with all these schools strewn across the country, where individual communities, faith-based organizations, have actually came together many, many years ago and formed these schools. And today we are partnering in a lot more deeper manner by providing free education, textbooks, access to transportation. And of course now we want these students to not only finish primary school, but also go to high school and go to tertiary education, whether they go to technical college, whether they go to university, but we want them to be able to have that level of qualification. And as you know that this is a farming area, and for decades in Fiji, farmers weren't actually given that level of mana, that level of credibility, which they actually deservedly deserved. Because the reality of the matter is, without farmers, we won't actually have food. Without farmers, we won't actually have the level of economic export that we do have, for example, for sugar. So we must be able to lift up the professionalism within the farming industry. We must be able to get children who are educated, who also can contribute to the farming industry in Fiji. Our goal, therefore, is to provide the basic tools for people to do well. One of the tools, of course, is access to what we call amenities. And I know one of the key issues in this area is access to electricity. You are currently not connected to the EFL grid. And as you know, that poles are already being put in. I've just got an update from the EFL team. As you know, government is providing now electricity wherever it can, connecting people to the grid. And of course, unlike previously, before communities had to contribute 10%, and then it went down to 5%, and now we've completely removed it. So we have the current stage that's currently being put in. In order to complete the whole Langa Langa electrification program, we need to put in place 338 poles into the ground. Already 138 poles have already been put into the ground. We'll be laying about 30,994 meters of electrical cables, of which about 3,800 electric cables or meters of cable have already been put in. Stage 1 of this program will be completed by the end of October of this year, and stage 2, the entire Langa Langa program, electrification program, will actually be completed by the 31st of March 2020. So ladies and gentlemen, please be rest assured that by March of 2020, the entire Langa Langa project will get completed and all of you will be connected to the EFL grid. You won't actually have to put up these generators, and you'll have your own electricity, you have your own meters, and of course this school will be connected to that. And we as a government are very keen and indeed very proud to be able to provide those services to you. In the meantime, of course, we want to continue with the eroding infrastructure. As the person who introduced me, the teacher who introduced me, talked about the fact that we are now giving more assistance to farmers, and we want to continue in that respect. So I'd like to thank everybody that's participated in this carnival. Thank you for turning out tonight. And I also was quite appreciative of the fact that the head teacher was telling us that 60% of all the children, in fact, have never been to one of the carnivals in Lambasa itself. So this in itself is bringing, in a way, Lambasa to you. And we hope that this carnival gets even bigger. Hope, of course, it gets even bigger because you soon have electricity by this time next year. I also would like to thank Vodafone. Vodafone, of course, as you know, is our major network provider in Fiji. And for them to be able to participate with you, of course, has given your school and your committee and the coordinating committee that impetus, that drive that they required. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to wish all the contestants all the best. As the head teacher said, it's not a very easy thing to do. I always admire these young ladies who walk up and down the stage and everybody has a look at them. It's very stressful, I can tell you. It will be very stressful. All of you are judging them. I'm sure all of you are picking on the color of dress they're wearing, the lipstick they're wearing, and all those sorts of things. So please, let's put our hands together for them because they made this carnival quite wonderful. And we'd like to thank all of them. Of course, not everybody can be a winner, but I can tell you all of you are winners by actually putting up your hand to participate in this. I'd like to also thank two groups of people that we should all publicly applaud. One of them, of course, are the teachers of the school. The teachers of the school play a very pivotal role in any school, and for them to be able to run a school this size in this area, I think they've done a wonderful job. Please, everybody, let's put our hands together for all the teachers and their hard work. For parents, you must understand that all the way from about 8 o'clock in the morning till 3 o'clock, you leave your children in their custody, and of course they have a huge impact on how your children are brought up, the impact, the way they think, and how they will actually be adults, what kind of adults they will be. Last but not least, I'd like everybody to put your hands together for yourself, for all the parents, for sending all your children. I urge all the parents over here, please, even if you spend additional 10 minutes after today with your children, with their schoolwork, encourage them to do their work, encourage them to go to high school, encourage them to go to technical college or university. We are paying for it because you know that once you provide that level of encouragement to your children, they'll want to do better. Not everybody can come first. It's not the idea of coming first. But as long as they have the enthusiasm to learn, and as parents, please don't put too much pressure on them to become a doctor or a lawyer or engineer. If your child is very good at sewing, if your child is very good at carpentry, at plumbing, in their hands, if they're good at weaving, they want to become a tradesperson, encourage them to do whatever they want to do as long as they do it to the best of their abilities. And in that way, every Fijian will be able to enjoy whatever profession they engage themselves in. I'd like to thank you once again for the invitation. Vinaka Baklewu, and I wish you a very good evening. Thank you.
Ticket Lambasa Suva, sponsored by Fiji Airways Limited. $200 spending money by Mr. Rajesh Rishiram. We will have the items on stage very soon, and that first item will come.
RSL 916 owner, please. Please.